Hey everyone, welcome to Thessaloniki, one of Greece's most exciting cities that mixes big city energy with small town charm. It's a great place to experience real Greece without the crowds of Athens. The city has a rich history, shaped by the Romans, Venetians, and Ottomans, seen in its ancient ruins, Byzantine churches, and top museums. Visitors also enjoy the tasty local food at traditional tavernas. Thessaloniki is known for its lively music scene, with live bands performing year-round. In this video, we're going to explore some of the best places to visit here. Let's dive right in. Number 1. White Tower of Thessaloniki. The White Tower of Thessaloniki is a well-known landmark on the city's waterfront. Built in the 15th century by the Ottomans, it replaced an older Byzantine structure to strengthen the city's defenses. Over time, the tower served various purposes, including as a fort, garrison, and prison. Due to numerous executions carried out there, it became known as the Tower of Blood. In 1891, a prisoner painted it white in exchange for his freedom, leading to its current name, the White Tower. Today, it houses a museum dedicated to Thessaloniki's rich history and offers visitors panoramic views of the city and the Thermaic Gulf from its top. Located on Nikis Avenue, it remains a popular spot for both history enthusiasts and tourists. 2. Thessaloniki Waterfront. The Thessaloniki Waterfront is a 5-kilometer promenade along the Thermaic Gulf, close to the city center. It's a favorite spot for walking, cycling, and enjoying stunning views of the sea and Mount Olympus. Key attractions include the White Tower, the famous umbrella sculpture by Zongolopoulos, and beautiful themed gardens like the Garden of Alexander, with a statue of the Emperor, the Garden of Mediterranean, the Garden of Music, and the Garden of Afternoon Sun. These gardens have playgrounds, basketball courts, and skating tracks for kids, while adults can enjoy peaceful nature. Redesigned after a 2000 competition, it blends beauty and relaxation perfectly. 3. Aristotle Square. Aristotle Square is a lively and famous spot in the heart of Thessaloniki, located on Nikis Avenue by the waterfront. Designed in 1918 by French architect Ernest Hébrard, it features a grand, symmetrical layout with cafes, shops, and historic buildings, making it a favorite for locals and tourists. The square often hosts events, festivals, and markets, while nearby attractions include the statue of Aristotle, the Jewish Museum, Yehudi Hammam, and Modiano Market. Hébrard's original plans were simplified in the 1950s, but the square remains a cultural hub, home to the Olympian Theater and the Thessaloniki International Film Festival. Spas and scenic views add to its charm. 4. Rotunda. The Rotunda of Galerius is one of Thessaloniki's oldest landmarks and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Built in 306 AD by Roman Emperor Galerius, it is a large circular structure located near the Arch of Gallus at the intersection of Ignatia and Demetriou Gunari streets. It was likely intended as Galerius' mausoleum, though some believe it was a temple for Cabaroi or Zeus. Over its 23 centuries, the Rotunda has been a Christian church, an Ottoman mosque, and a church again after the Balkan Wars. Now a museum, it is protected by Greece's Ministry of Culture as an important historical monument. 5. Alexander the Great Statue. The Alexander the Great statue in Thessaloniki is a prominent landmark located along the city's waterfront promenade, the Ni Paralia. It depicts the legendary Macedonian king on his horse, Bucephalus, in a dynamic pose, symbolizing his military might and conquests. Standing at an impressive height, the statue is surrounded by decorative elements, including spears and shields, representing Alexander's legacy as one of history's greatest military leaders. This iconic statue celebrates his role in spreading Greek culture and creating one of the largest empires of the ancient world. It's a must-see attraction for visitors to Thessaloniki. 6. Byzantine Walls. Thessaloniki was founded in 315 BC and surrounded by walls for protection against attacks. Constantine the Great strengthened the walls, and they were improved during the Byzantine Empire. In the 14th and 15th centuries, the Ottomans added towers and walls, using Venetian engineers. The old city was completely surrounded by an 8 kilometers long wall until the 19th century, when the Ottomans demolished parts to modernize the city. Some sections have since been restored. A good tour starts at the Evangelistria Cemetery, leading to the Trigonian Tower, the Ano Poli Gate, and the Heptapersian Fortress. 7. The Arch of Galerius, also called Camara, is located south of the Rotunda in Thessaloniki, at the intersection of Ignatia and Dumitru Gunari streets. It became a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988 and is a great example of early Byzantine architecture. Once, the arch marked the road from Dyrrhachium to Byzantium. Today, 3 of the original 8 piers remain. The arch was built to celebrate Emperor Galerius' victory over the Persian chief Shah Narses. The marble reliefs on the arch show scenes from the battle and other moments from the Byzantine Empire. 8. Roman Forum. In the heart of Thessaloniki, between Aju Dumitru Street and Ignatia Street, is the Roman Forum, also known as the Ancient Agora. It was discovered in the 1960s when digging for the municipal courthouse. The site includes a 2-story stoa, Roman baths, and a small theater for gladiator events. Dating back to the 2nd century AD, the Forum was a place for social and religious gatherings. Visitors can explore the open terrace, underground museum, and attend cultural events for just €2. It's a beautiful part of Thessaloniki's history, blending into the city's modern landscape. 9. Epirus Castle, also known as the 7 Towers, is a historic fortress in Thessaloniki, located on the eastern part of the city's Acropolis. Built during the Byzantine era, it was later expanded by the Ottomans. The castle offered protection and strategic control over the city. Visitors can explore its well-preserved towers, which offer stunning views of Thessaloniki and the surrounding area. Epirus also has a rich history, having served as both a military fort and a prison. Today, it's a popular tourist attraction, showcasing the city's diverse past and providing a glimpse into its ancient defenses. 10. Mount Olympus, 80 kilometers southwest of Thessaloniki, is Greece's highest mountain, reaching 2,917 meters at its peak, Mykonos. It's part of Olympus National Park, a UNESCO biosphere reserve, popular for hiking and climbing. The park covers 238 square km, with routes for all levels. The town of Litohoro is a starting point for a 5-hour hike to a monastery, waterfalls, and lakes. For an easier walk, try the 2-hour hike through Enipeus Gorge from Prionia. Visitors can stay in 8 mountain refuges. South of Olympus, the Vale of Tempe offers scenic views, and nearby Lake Vistanada is great for bird watching.